What I like most about Oldfields is the opportunities here. I also love the atmosphere and community. I love how it's so easy to make friends here. I get to go to school and be with my friends like 24/7. I love the weekend activities and how we're able to go out. My favorite class right now would be dance class because I love to dance. I am the co-dance leader for dance company. I love Miss Hammond, our dance teacher, so much, and she's also my advisor as well. I just love the community here, and it's so tight-knit, and we're just like a big Oldfields family.